walk in.
Okay, this is Michelle trying to dismantle her tent now. Oh, wow, I'm impressed so far. Oh, wow. Very good.
I'm not sure.
No, that does look like it's resembling a circle.
Voila. And then, no. Where's the
oh no, that clips into that bit.
There, yes,
that
but
one.
I don't know.
So that
yeah,
one.
but this. Maybe I should just push it a bit.
Yeah, shove it. You have to be brutal with these things.
I don't see the brake. Yeah, but it doesn't want to go somehow. What about can't go the other side?
This could be a long video. Maybe we ought to come back in a minute.
Right?
Right, one. Okay, well done.
So that's it. There should be. Yellow. This is yellow. This is yellow.
Oh, you're doing excellent. You're a minute and a half, Michelle. A minute and a half.
But now I need more yellow. There's more yellow. That's on this side, is it? Yeah, that's the one I got.
To bend it, to wrap it round in, isn't it? Yeah.
Last, but is everything now in place, you think?
I think so, and then I think you just squeeze it.
Yes, now I just
to
have
bend
to lay
it
it
and
down. But this seems a bit. Yes, now I think it's all right. Like
you're on 2 minutes so far. 2 minutes. This is.
Right. So this grumpy mood of mine does help. Now I'm going to pull.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. Look at Michelle. She's going to get a job in Decathlon. Yes.
And then this is not right though. And then I have to push it.
Yes, push it and pull it.
Oh.
No, I can't help because
No,
you're doing 2.5 minutes. You're on, Michelle. 2.5 minutes. Yes. Look at this. She's got it. No, you have. You've done it. No, it doesn't matter. It won't break. They bend. They don't break. Look at this. The girl's got it. 2 minutes 48. The people in the camper van are probably wondering what earth's going on.
Because I'm there now. I'm not.
Yes, you're there. I think you're there. It should now fit in the bag.
No.
Yes.
Stay on. Stay down. I think there's somehow the lip is not totally. Did I forget maybe to attach something?
I don't think so. Just...
Like another. Yes. You see? There's another yellow thing here.
But you're there. I'm sure we can squeeze it into the. Where's the container? Where's the wrapper it goes in?
There.
There. Where? There on the stair. Here.
Look.
Oh no.
But you have to do it again.
Oh no. Well, it was pretty good effort for first time.
It does look quite good, but there's something off. Now I'm going to try this. Right.
4 minutes.
So far this